In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Telegram bot without coding. By the end, you'll have a working bot you can customize and share, all from inside Telegram, no programming required. First, open Telegram. You can use the mobile app or go to the web version in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so you can message other accounts. Everything we're about to do happens right inside a regular chat. Next, use the search bar to find BotFather, which is Telegram's official tool for creating bots. It usually has a verified checkmark and shows up at the top of the results. Open the chat and press Start to begin. If you don't see the Start button, just send any message to wake it up. In the chat with BotFather, type the command to create a new bot. New bot. BotFather will ask for two things. First, a display name. This can be anything your users will see at the top of the conversation. Second, a unique username that ends with bot, like myexamplebot. If the username is taken, try a different variation. Once accepted, BotFather will confirm your bot is created and share a link to open it. You'll also receive your bot's HTTP API token. This is the key that lets other tools connect to your bot. Copy it right away and store it somewhere safe. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly, don't paste it in screenshots, and keep it in a secure note or password manager. If it's ever exposed, you can regenerate it later with BotFather, but it's easier to keep it private from the start. Now, search inside Telegram for a menu builder bot. This type of helper bot lets you design buttons and simple flows without writing code. There are several options. Open one that looks reputable and read its short description so you know what it can do. Open the menu builder bot and press Start to begin setup. It will guide you through connecting your new bot, usually by asking for the token you copied. Once connected, follow the prompts to set a welcome message. Create your main menu and add buttons like About, Help, or Contact. You can define what each button does, such as sending a message, linking to a page, or navigating to another menu. Save your changes when you're done. Finally, test everything. Open your bot, press Start, and try each button. If something doesn't look right, return to the menu builder and adjust your text or buttons. That's it. You created a Telegram bot without coding, connected it to a builder, and published a functional menu your users can tap and enjoy.